Nadra? Ako dito Nadra.
Tita Nadra, thank you, Ate Nadra.
California.
Wow!
Oh, California! Nice!
Thank you, Ate Nadra.
Yeah, very nice.
Thank you for lotion.
Wow, cool.
Victoria's Secret.
Wow!
Oh, all sorts of jewelry for you. Oh,
Yayamanin!
so fancy you are.
Fancy.
Yayamanin si Princess. From Mommy. May card ako, yun muna dapat.
Ito naman na. May
Sige.
sticker. Pang slay.
Di ba naalala mo yung sa $5 na?
Then,
Sunglasses.
Oh, nice.
chocolate.
Oh, yeah. Share those with Daddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Share with Daddy.
Swedish fish, Mom.
Oh, it's squishy.
Thank you, May.
Welcome.
Love you.
Dami naman ako. Andun pa, oh.
Ito pa. Ano yun?
Sour.
Oh, airheads. Yum.
Nalagay sa mga sticker.
Ooh,
May
pen.
sticker pero nakatago lang.
Sour Patch.
Sabi mo na sticker.
And more stickers. Oh, stickers.
Pang slay again. And book.
Nice.
Baba.
Another squishy. Yay.
Thank you, May.
Welcome.
New plate. Love you.
Love you too.
Papa, ano yung ito na yan? Kani ka gaman na?
Ayun, yung mga
Sa akin.
Ano yung akin? Pinapahuli mo.
Sorry. Pero huli ka na. Kanino yan? Mami. Woo! Aircon! Ano yan? Woo! Ano to?
Sa school. Printer.
Printer.
Connector mobile.
Thank you, May.
Yeah, gaabot langit na naman ang ngiti.
Portable printer.
Nakaka-print yun kahit malaki.
Thank you, May. Cute.
Talaga kahit malaking papel.
Ay, hindi. Ano lang
To
mga
the-
ganyan.
Okay.
Yung maliliit lang na ano, ganun.
Parang
Wala ba
Keep,
ano?
keep all the instructions and stuff.
Yeah.
Don't lose any of that.
Thank you, May.
Mahal ang bayad kaya. Kulang pang thank you. Dapat may kisses.
Mamaya yun.
pagulong daw.
Pag
Kayo
ito
na lang
nagbibideo
ang
ng video. Damit na naman. Cargo pan. Yan.
cargo pants yan kaysa yan yung sabi niya. Pati
Di ba
shoes.
nasabi ko?
Oo, yan sabi mo, cargo.
Mahilig ako sa mga ganyan.
Maganda nga mga ganyan.
Yes. Uniform.
Hope they fit.
I hope it's fit.
Hope somebody didn't get too taba.
Super taba. Oh my goodness.
Outfit.
Bako man, ay, hindi naman yan sa akin. Kaso, pinasalo na naman itong matanda sa akin.
Bakit? Ano?
Ako pinapili, dapat siya yung bibili niyan. Di ba tapos na ako sa regalo ko sa'yo, yung salamin na tipo.
Yay!
Pagkamahal.
Okay, there you go.
Sabi ko, advance na yun, wala na akong gift. Ayan.
What's that? Cargo
Pinasa
pants.
Pinasa sa akin ni Peter.
Kano ka?
Sana mag-cash siya, parang malaki.
Hindi, ano na yan, medium siya.
Okay.
Thank you, May. Thank you. Thank you, Dan.
Amazon pa yan yung mga in-order.
Kaya na to.
Amazon? Lahat?
Mura sa Amazon.
Patuloy kayo yung box na yun.
Akin pa yan, lahat.
Naghahanap siya.
Kaya nga, lugi ako eh. Kasi, may,
Okay,
advance
now,
mo na yung
now who's that from?
Lugi daw siya.
Mami.
Mami.
That's Mom? Okay.
Ooh, true.
Good. Oh, man, just what you need. Oh, I'm jealous.
What's that? Tools? Box.
Yeah, it's just the boxes.
Boxman lang.
Oh! Ano to?
Okay na eh.
Oh. Ano yan?
Kasi mahilig mag-ipit ng tiyan.
Yung ano? Yung
Garter.
shaper?
Yeah.
What is it? Are there shorts?
Shorts, yeah.
Underway shaper?
Slimmer.
Like bicycle shorts. Whoa, close call.
May parang ano. Ilan pa? Ay na.
Luntik pa ang malaglag.
Ano? Isa pa? Hindi ba?
Isa super. Pag ipit mo sa bilbil mong katago-tago.
Cargo pants again. Ay, ganun pala. Iba-ibang
may
kulay.
ras na nila.
Iba-ibang kulay.
Kailangan suotin mo yan bukas.
Oo, araw-araw. Why?
Mahilig ba naman mag-jeans? Kahit
May bago na ng slippers.
Purple!
Purple.
Ano yung binili?
Sa Amazon lahat, order.
Color their year yan ngayon, purple. Ngayon?
Kasi summer man, babe.
Kaya pala swerte ko
Color
ngayon
of the
is
year.
kasi favorite ko.
That's the color of the year. Lucky color. Two princess from
Gift
Mommy.
card yan, Amazon.
Dargen,
May utang pa yan sa
Sephora.
akin.
Thank you, Victoria's Secret. Oh, crazy.
See?
A princess.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. To my beautiful.
Tumutulog siya.
Tunog? Thank.
Patingin!
Ha? Saan? Ba't natunog?
Ayan dito.
Ay, huwag mo sirahin! Sabi ko,
Ano nga? Ikaw nagkuha na ito sa Amazon.
ano sa Walmart?
Tapos
That's Walmart, ha?
may patugtog na.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, Walmart.
Tapos may patugtog na.
It's cute daw. Ang dami niya, puro Disney. Tapos sabi ni Peter, sabi ni Peter lang, huwag mong bilihin kasi ganyan din ang nabili kong card. Tapos sabi niya, ay hindi pala, magkaiba kasi tumutunog daw yan.
Tita.
Pag i-open niya,
Oo, tumutunog siya. Yung kay Peter, hindi man tumutunog.
magkano yan? Mahal yan.
6.
Up $6?
Mahal man, uy.
Mayaman si Mami.
Ganda.
Sumahod ako ng 1,007 days.
Ay, 1,000. Sabi ko, ano?
Yeah, di ba, Han? I got salary 7 days.
Sana all.
Thank you,
Yung
May.
bossing ko
Love
sabi ko,
you.
mag-birthday yung anak ko, wala pa.
She's not paying attention.
Binigyan agad. So, wala ka nang sasahurin.
Baka wala.
Sasahod kasi yun na yung advance.
Baka parang sa kanya advance na yun.
At least, nakaka-advance ka.
Bahay man lang, hindi man siya sa school.
Maganda man si Ate May kung mag-alaw.
JD, uy! Sabi ko sa'yo,
Maganda yan, $200.
Oh, ito muna! Unahin mo.
Thank you,
Nabasa
Dad.
mo na yung daddy mo?
Thank you.
Nabasa mo na yung card ni daddy?
What? You don't know what it is?
Unahin! Unahin mo muna yung card.
No, she can. Let's just open that first. That's fine. Yeah.
Okay, open that. Mga ano niya yan, green niya
Oh,
pala
you're
niya.
so surprised, right? You know.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you.
1,500. Hindi pa nakatago.
I might have to get a pair just like that to match you. You know.
Jay, isama din.
Nag-deal kasi kami, lahat ng luma niya.
Ha?
Secret!
Thank you, Kuya Vivo. Thank you, Dad.
Yung microphone. Nag-liik.
Thank you, Dad.
You guys are welcome.
Ala, dami na siya.
Oh, alam mo na kung anong favorite
may
niya.
hiramin na ako.
Alam mo na kung anong favorite niya.
Maputi na siya. Maputi na siya.
She loves her shoes, man.
Oo.
Take care of those.
I will borrow that because she's stealing my shoes, the white one, on the dance. And then I recognize the picture. Wait, this is my shoes. Hindi na paalam sa
Yeah, you can wear your own for dance now. You know.
Nanakawin din ako.
At least ngayon, meron ka ng gagamitin.
Sana o. Sayo mo nak sa lamin sa nakbad yan.
Alam.
Sama yan. What
Nice.
size?
Wala na, wala na.
Wala na.
Puto ka na.
Oo, yung ano card ni Daddy mo last.
Ayun o. Oo, puto ka na.
Lakasan mo ang pagbasa.
Princess! Heart! Yan na naman, tito. May tutusog na naman, tito.
Wala, hindi mo pareha.
Walang music. Basahin mo.
Nakapal kasi. You're my enter, the princess is in. Hope your birthday brings you the shimmer of wishes, the sparkle of smile, and the magic.
Wag na muna yan, yung nasa papel ang basahin mo.
Where's that? Oh, cabinet. New dresser?
Basahin mo, basahin mo.
This
Dish.
She's got good for a set of cabinet for your room, which we will
Ba't siya kabinet?
Wala, pero may
decide
container
together
lang.
before
May door
order.
na siya. Kaya
Happy
sa
birthday,
sobrang dami
Prince
na.
Love.
So yan, para yan sa mga
Hey,
dalawa.
hey, shh.
Only condition,
Only condition.
Mom will help your short
Sort out.
your stuff and get rid of things
Ah.
no longer needed. You will keep this. What's this?
Lahat daw ng mga luma mong
And
damit.
organize if you stop
Tanggalin mo.
1 feet. You have too much pocket. Huh? Wait.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Forget.
Hindi niya sila mabasa kasi
Iba mo yung
cursive.
Thank you.
Lahat daw ng luma mo ng damit. Tanggalin na. I-sort out na.
Okay, thank you.
Let go mo na.
So we have to pick out and design what you want, the number of shelves, all that stuff. So it's all custom design.
That's
So we'll
all.
do that.
Thank you, Nax. What can you say?
Patingin ng cabinet.
Thank you, Eva.
That's from Ava. Wow.
Kanino yan, Nax?
Eva.
Okay. Bilisan mo ang pagbukas kasi haba yung video natin. Excited siya.
Excited siya, oh. What is that, Eva? Eva, what is that? Ano yun? Good lang.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy it's your birthday. Let the happy happen. Eva.
Oh, so sweet. Oh, Target. Nice.
Wow.
From Eva.
Thank you, baby Eva.
Eva, happy birthday, princess.
Oh, so sweet.
Very
Very nice.
So cute.
Little heart. Yeah, it's a heart.
Oh, that's special. Wow, good job, Ava. Good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Gusto mo na fix yun.
All right, so what's next?
Anong pangan mo?
Ha?
Walang pangan.
From Benjamin Knight.
Benjamin Knight.
Benjamin na.
Louis.
Louis. Nagpalit siya ng ninya, di ba?
Thank you.
Be, bago to be. Sa'yo yan.
Magnolia.
Oh.
But thank you. Happy birthday, princess.
Magkano? $100?
Wish at 20 lang. 20. Wish I could be there. Have a great day. Love, Kuya. Love,
Bakit na po
Benjamin.
Nice.
Thank you. Love you.
All right, Louis, good job.
Masarap pang malamig.
Yeah?
No, Benjamin.
Okay lang.
Oh, thank you, USA. Thank you.
Nice, nice, yeah.
Sutin mo yun sa
She's going to be a citizen soon.
Yeah.
Sana wala, no? Magaling ka nagpadala para sa dala ng pera.
Oo.
Ikaw nagbili.
Inutosan niya ako, tapos picture ko.
Hot rod. That's cool.
Hot rod.
I like it. That's good. Good job, Benjamin.
Thank you, Kuya Louie.
Thank you, Louie. Mayroon pa ba yun?
Hilig talaga sa ulo.
Oversize. Mahilig pala talaga na sa oversize.
Hoodie is life.
Nah, yeah, do the bags. Let's see what the bags. Yeah.
May mga surprise yung malala dyan
Oh.
na.
Yeah. Kay daddy.
Kanina to galing?
Tita
Yeah, I saw it.
Melanie.
Who's that?
Tita Melanie.
Oh, very nice. Oh, another Target.
Yeah,
That's great, man.
Tita. Wow.
So you can shop at Target.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Ay, alas.
Thank you.
Oh, let's see. Let's see. What is it?
Bracelet,
Wow, very nice.
ring. Oh,
Hilig sa bugot.
what is this?
Necklace again, right?
Necklace.
Yeah. Cool. Very nice. That's for Melanie?
Girls.
Welcome.
Wow.
Kanino yan?
What Nevaeh gave it to you?
Spoiled brat. Spoiled brat.
20 and
Earrings and ring.
thank you, Nevaeh.
A friendship ring.
Friendship ring or friendship earring?
They want
Both.
Both. Thank you, Nevaeh.
You have to go. I have to do.